Ничего себе.
Для понимания ситуации это нас поднимет. Вот так или отъезд.
Сугроб до 9-го этажа. Ничего себе. До 9-го этажа. Не верю. Ничего себе.
Для понимания ситуации это нас поднимет. Вот так или отъезд.
Snow fell in Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky on January 15, 2026. Large snowdrifts blocked the entrances of apartment buildings, forcing residents to dig tunnels to escape. Cars were completely buried in the snow, turning roads into impassable snowdrifts. The blizzard reduced visibility in the area to zero. A state of emergency was declared in Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky after 2 people died in the snowdrifts. Public transportation was suspended and schools and other institutions were closed. Rescue workers, student groups, volunteers, military personnel, and even submarine crews joined the snow removal efforts.
Давай.
Since mid-January, Kamchatka has been hit by abnormal snowfall caused by several consecutive cyclones for over a week. The Sea of Okhotsk cyclone brought heavy rainfall to the peninsula. On January 13 to 14 alone, 52% of the monthly average fell in Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky. Snowfall in Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky reached 51 to 133 centimeters, and in the neighboring village of Sosnovka, 163 centimeters. Forecasters recorded this as the heaviest snowfall on the peninsula in 30 years. The situation in Kamchatka followed a more alarming scenario. The previous 2 years of low snowfall appeared to have weakened Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky's municipal services, and the unusual snowfall, triple the monthly average in December, appeared to have caught them off guard. Contracts with contractors for some areas were found to have not been signed, and the main cleaning company was in the process of going bankrupt. The consequences were dire. The city faced not only a transportation collapse, but also a garbage collection crisis. In some cases, ambulances were unable to reach patients, leading to criminal charges. The deputy mayor in charge was suspended. For a long time, main roads were only partially cleared, paralyzing traffic in many areas. Tragedy struck. An avalanche from a roof claimed the life of a man.
Аккуратно спиной поворачиваемся, на дверь опираемся и вот так вот заползаем.
Authorities are working to remedy the situation. School holidays have been extended, and many businesses have switched to remote work. To assist residents, a social taxi service has been organized, consisting of official vehicles from the governments of Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky, Yelizovo, and Kamchatka Krai. New specialized equipment has also arrived to assist and respond promptly to snow piles. In Burobidjan, as elsewhere, the main priority for snow removal is the main transportation routes, high-traffic highways, and public transportation routes. Work continues around the clock. At night, graders, tractors, and road maintenance vehicles clear the snow piles. In the morning, they are replaced by MAZ trucks, which add the required topsoil to the cleared roads. The equipment also clears driveways and parking lots, removes snowdrifts, and sweeps sidewalks. Each cleared area is treated with a de-icer. At the same time, road combined vehicles conduct targeted work throughout the city, addressing high-risk areas such as intersections and pedestrian crossings. Coordination continues around the clock with the directors of management companies, who are required to promptly clear the areas around buildings. All city agencies and businesses are also responsible for clearing snow and debris from the surrounding areas. One such snowstorm occurred in November. Burobidjan utility workers deployed 15 pieces of equipment to clear the busiest streets and public transportation routes. All businesses and management companies in the city were also required to continue their work. Priority was given to hospitals, schools, and kindergartens. In mid-December, a new severe cyclone hit the region. In response to the worsening conditions on the R297 Federal Highway, the Ministry of Emergency Situations deployed 9 permanent warming stations and kept 4 more in reserve. These stations provided safe shelter for drivers caught in the storm. They could warm up with hot tea, get blankets, charge their phones, or even warm up their cars with heaters. Emergency responders were always on standby, ready to call an ambulance at any time.
Сугроб до 9-го этажа. Ничего себе.
Although Khabarovsk itself experienced a mild winter, the Nikolaevsky district of Khabarovsk Krai experienced a real natural disaster. The district has been hit by its 5th cyclone this winter, which, according to district head Anatoly Leonov, brought the most snowfall in decades. The situation was exacerbated by strong winds hitting directly.